my god, guys. Oh my gosh. Yo, a mixed freight. It has intermodals on it. And all freight cars. It has the most rare engines. What in the world? I've never seen this. There's a BNSF 2-9s, a GP 39-2, a Union Pacific SD70 Mac, and a BNSF-9. And yes, the two. Holy crap, the thing's breaking down. It's stopping. It's stopping. Guys, it's stopping. The thing's breaking down. Can't even pull no more. Oh, people are gonna get so pissed. Sorry about that, guys. I did not mean to say that. There's the DPU on it. A BNSF. Jeez, that's a short train for that many engines. Guys, that is such a rare train. Oh, dude, that's so rare, guys. That's a -9 repainted. That's a new scheme. There's no way. Even intermodal freight cars on it. Yeah, there's no way she's making it. She's so gonna break down. Guys, there's no way it's gonna make it. It's gonna break down. End of story. That DPU's working. Look at all that smoke coming out of it. It is freezing, guys. See that smoke? Yeah, there's smoke. Oh my great God. Holy crap. That is so freaking rare. Oh my. I was just playing a game where this oil train has come through. It's actually based off a true story of my dad spotting a rare freight train. It was a rare CN Burlington Northern BNSF oil train. Really rare. Man, it's cold. I need to go to the bathroom. Yeah. Yes. Guys, I think I'll see you in the next one. And goodbye. It's freezing out here. See you next one. And good.